Some of the most typical everyday routines around your house can lead to some of the most disruptive, damaging, and expensive problems. The Roost Smart Water Leak and Freeze Detector is here to bring you peace of mind because it senses water leaks plus temperature and humidity extremes, sending you immediate notifications no matter where you are or what you're doing before major damage can happen. And it's simple to set up. Just download the Roost app, connect the leak detector to your Wi-Fi network, and place it in a spot where water leaks can start. That's it. No wires, no worries, no water damage. Just plenty of warning so you can live your life knowing your home is safe from harm. The Roost Smart Water Leak and Freeze Detector, delivering peace of mind.
This is what's supposed to keep your home safe from fire. If you're nearby, you'll hear it. But what if you aren't nearby? What happens then? Smoke detectors aren't smart. They don't know when you're there and when you're not. And they certainly won't alert you if you're not home. All they do is beep. But now, there's a simple and easy way to make your smoke alarm smarter. Leo's Smart Alert Nightlight. Leo's a simple device. Plug it in and let it go to work. Leo monitors your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. If they go off, Leo hears and alerts you immediately. So you can listen in, wherever you are, and connect to the fire department. And if for some reason you don't respond, Leo will contact your friends and neighbors as well. With Leo, you can rest easy. You know your home is safe, whether you're there or not. And that means everything.
Life is complicated. Home security doesn't have to be. Make life simple with Aura, a thoughtful approach to security designed to blend into your home. Out of the box, Aura is simple to set up with just a hub and sensor providing full home coverage. Use your smartphone to monitor your home anytime.
Hello, I'm Artabo.
Nice to meet you, Artabo.
What's the schedule, Artabo?
You have an appointment with friends at 8 p.m. tonight.
Thank you, Artabo.
Hola.
Hola.
Good job.
Dad, I'm studying with Artabo.
Oh, really? Wow, that's awesome. Good job, son.
Can you tell me a bedtime story? Once upon a time, there lived a miller who had 3 sons. When the man died, he left the mill to his own.
Artabo is more than just a robot. It's a well-informed friend, an assistant that helps with daily life, and a cute pet to play with. Artabo is a multifunctional robot and is built in accordance with Cubroid's robotics know-how, at a price that makes it accessible to everyone. Cubroid wants everyone to experience easy living. With our robot's help, you can experience a more enjoyable and convenient life. Your own robot, Artabo, by Cubroid.